Updating your legal name on Cisco Webex is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Cisco Webex website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account that you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Name Change option. In the profile settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Name. Here, you should find an option to edit your name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may need to log out and log back in for the updates to take effect. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in Cisco Webex. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.